Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to change the gearbox oil in a Peugeot 207. This vehicle was manufactured in March 2008 and currently has 125,000 kilometers on the speedo. I purchased this car in Portugal and I don't really have a good understanding of the services or maintenance that was ever done on this car, so today I'm going to replace the gearbox oil. You don't need many tools to do this. A 10mm socket or a spanner will do it. Also a square socket to take off the gearbox drain plug, a funnel and a pipe to help put the gearbox oil back into it. That tube on the bottom of it there is 35 centimeters long. It is 10mm internal diameter and 12mm external. I would also put a new washer on the bottom of the gearbox bung to help it seal, and that is a 16mm diameter washer. I'm also going to use the boot liner to assist with getting under the car to help drain the gearbox oil. As I don't have a workshop, I'm currently on the side of the road here in Romania in a car park that's not used that very often. From the right side of the vehicle looking at it, enter from there after you have jacked it up in a safe manner. Under here you're looking for the gearbox, which this here is the gearbox along here. Your drain bung is at the back here. Okay, so you need your spanner. You need to insert that onto the drain bung, just like that there. You can now proceed to undo the gearbox drain plug. The further you undo the screw, the oil will start to flow out into your catching container. Once the bulk of the oil has drained into the container, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes for the remaining oil to drain out of the gearbox. Then you can proceed to reassemble. First, install your new washer that you purchased to get a nice seal onto the gearbox drain plug, and then tighten it back up. That's basically all you need to do from under here. Okay, first we need to remove the airbox intake, then the connector tube back to the air filter. It is just held together by two 10mm bolts, one here and one on the front here, so remove those. Then with the airbox intake, just push it backwards and then slide it up over its bracket. Then unconnect the air tube by twisting it, and the airbox intake will just remove itself. Okay. Now remove the 10mm bolt over here to the connector tube. Once that is removed, twist the tube upwards, and then that there will just pop off the airbox. Okay, now we have the airbox and the tube out of the way, we need to remove the plug on top of the gearbox where the oil goes in, which is just a pull plug like that. It comes off, it's very small, it just pushes on and off. With your pipe that you're going to put the oil back in, you feed that down and push it in to the top of where that plug is, and that's it. It just sits there and you're ready now to put your gearbox oil back into the motor. If you're finding this video helpful, please like it, as that will encourage me to create more content in the future. Okay, after you have installed your 1.9 litres of gearbox oil, remove the funnel and the tube, reinstall your gearbox bung back on the top of it, which is just effectively pushing straight down. Okay, now you need to reinstate the connector tube. Connects onto there. You put it slightly higher than the mounting bolt and then twist it down onto it, and that connects into the mechanism in the back of it, and then reinstall your bolt. Okay, that should lock it into place onto the air filter. Now you need to reinstall the airbox intake. Comes down into the location from here. When you get it halfway down, you must reconnect the pipe back into it before it gets fully into location. Then it's as simple as it drops into place. That is all connected into place, and now everything just needs to be bolted. The 2 bolts need to be put back into place, and that is then completed. If you find this video helpful, please like it, as that will encourage me to create more content in the future.